I'm here because the finance minister so said dollar kosoro tieni, and that was part of the reason why this happened. Dollar kosoro abino ne reporting no one reporting the way our NDC for pay into ayebone muntio again Atoforsen sat in a chair, made a statement that indicts parliament, and thanks Honorable Ejapa Mesa for pointing that out. And people couldn't even see that. Including the same Okudata Brokwa Kakawure Jimmy Fuono, not the committee, so the team shame Kwasiakwa at one conquest, just a Jimmy Samunkwano to obey. You people are trying to say, the finance minister, after getting a letter of approval from Parliament, which there is evidence Parliament form on Sawum, Sawuka Chrem says Sadia near flawed there. Nan the amo parliamentarians Samuko vote to Emma dear no go to run away year 2017 waka say MPP for daddy. Where yet bra yen na yakura equal numbers. Are you understanding me? It is a more MP4 no debia me catch am say MP4 we am Jimmy for ya munte. Mekacham say current 8th parliament is the most stupid parliamentarian thing we can ever have in the history of Ghana. When we have stupid people who have MPs that say pay us what interest on an allowance, you know there is a problem. When you have MPs who their people has voted for them to bring something better for them, will come and tell you, say, oh, I will stop government business from happening because they have voted against me at the Supreme Court. Hey, are you people crazy? Me say, NDC, John Dramani Mahama, the most stupid, foolish, low-class boka and Kwasiafua party that has ever existed in Ghana and the whole world. And I will never take that shit back. Because they have proven it. San Kwasiadia Yamukoya and Wohoya Mediba Komi, Mechima GNC, Bra ya call election petition. So, and then on Bekachre, on my press conference, I announce say, welcome the new president of Ghana, Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. They didn't do that. Meboa. Maybe someone, if NDC didn't do that, because they claimed they had all the pink sheets. I'm call pink sheet back by. Maybe someone, me say, it's just a simple question. Where I just simple. NDC for call, sebi call to 2020 no. Pink sheet to kwa no musu omukurano. Omu to me the back chere Ghana for. It's no musu Ghana for unko kunku. And the one who saw more motos are ben and never moko. And then me who videos and graph send me na mesre. I tell you people say question who me say ba menya kwa Ajem and famano and come home paye. I'm very serious. Because me my spirituality is on a different level. Utie. My spirit. So we lead a kwasia obey kwasia. Utie. Because me lead an a time no. Me and Missika my juma de akoto me because I me koja yesi ebi ni ho. Leader fufuro bi more time no me de Missika akoto a metumi koyi me se da bi me leader na on to me ntia se be me bank me and Missika on fa ma me no onu mo ye better. They hate the truth. They hate the truth. They hate the truth for NDC for they hate the truth. But Obia Wonyansan, now Wogane Bia, you will know. It was not a bank. It was a what? Hey, now let me put a nail in that coffin. Move your mom blocking. Let me put a nail in the coffin answer. Me pacho 2016, Obi ne read the State of the Nation's address, Majo Mahamana. Since you said it's not the banks, let me expose you more because I like it when I expose fools like you. 2016, who read the State of the Nation's address? John Dramani Mahama. What did John Dramani Mahama say? John Dramani Mahama said, due to lack of their due diligence and mismanagement by the Bank of Ghana, our financial sector and the bank is what? Is all collapsing. And as we speak, I'm working with the IMF in order to get it back on track 2016 State of the Nation's address. Go and look. Kwasiakwa. Kotsiamete was credit union here on Sam Ferry. You see how we see? Yeah, you see, they be a meka Ghana for Mamu Masanko for we chance be you. Yeah, you see how ignorant he is. He just said, oh, it wasn't bank, it's credit union. It's credit union for sika di utiamo mo enye. You see how they are, guys. They be a meka. When you listen to how they argue right away, you know they are foolish. Uti. Yeah, right away, per their argument. But we know banks that didn't meet the criteria, so they had to get closed down, like Mahama has said. Because Mahama himself in 2016 State of the Nation's address told all Ghanaians that due to Momon Kwasia Samu in the Bank of Ghana, banks need Google. You don't remember? It's not too far away. Google it, it will come. Google it. You will hear your president speaking it baga from his mouth. Now, this guy comes again and talks about why are we selling Saglime. After that, I'll finish what I came for, to finish this NDC useless MPs and their useless followers. I'm going to finish it like that. But somebody asked the question, and I don't want him to feel, say, maybe I have, excuse me to say, dodged that question. For your information, Saglime affordable housing was supposed to be built by NDC. President Kufuor had acquired that land. Atamils had secured a loan to get it built. The initial document said 5,000 affordable housing for $200 million. The money came. Atamils died. The money was still in the Ghanaian coffers. So, if Mahama and his NDC had any intentions of completing Saglime, they would have done that, but they didn't. Let me continue again. Then they come to Parliament again and says that this was Samson and Collins Dauda. Oh, they need extra budget in order to what? To complete 1,500 units. And that is when the minority at that time, NPP, pulled the brake and said, hold on. Ya approve scammer yet is kana mamo. Ade no kra mo fa ho report mbae. Mo se afa de mu ko si 1,500 na 1,500 no kra ye ma muska foforo na. Then what do we have to do? Then we have to look into it properly. So what happened? Now, NDC, who were in charge of this, of which E.T. Mensah, the former NDC minister, sat on Good Evening Ghana and said the money was for 5,000 affordable housing. So, how did the money get misappropriated? Over 195 million, with another extra 2 million, was gone out of Sikana SSEDC